Hi, I'm Alexander and I will show you how to export your Universal Analytics data in 7 minutes or less. So let's get right into it. To get access, go to aleco.io. In the navigation, look for Solutions. Beneath that, Google Analytics to BigQuery Exporter. On this page, I will provide all information, as well as access to the tool itself. As you can see, this tool is provided through Google's Data Studio platform. Next, you need to authorize the tool with your Google account. Now let's start configuring the connection. The first thing we need is the view ID. It is associated with your Universal Analytics view. You can find it in your view settings located in the admin panel. Next up, the start date. This should be the date from which on you started using Universal Analytics. Note that all these settings can be still changed afterwards. Now we can start configuring the parameters which will be included in the export from Universal Analytics into the BigQuery table. In this example, I will create a configuration to export the acquisition report from Universal Analytics. For convenience, I have attached a link to a tool which will find the specific column names. As you can see, the column name for source medium is written together, with the first letter in medium being capitalized. Generally, most column names are written differently than as they are presented in Universal Analytics. Use this tool to find the correct column names. If you cannot find the column you are looking for, please let me know. Make sure to enter dimensions and metrics in the respective input fields. Finally, we select the BigQuery table ID. It is important to note that any table selected here will be overwritten by the script.